Ganun, na parang sobrang compatible namin sa isa't isa. Kasi nga, nagre-request pa kami na mag-away kami. Kasi wala na kami mag-awayan.
Teka, kailan naging kayo?
Kailan naging kami? Wala kaming official date. Yun lang. Kasi para naging pakiramdam namin, kami na. So, yun naman importante, di ba? Minsan, yung love nyo lang isa't isa, tsaka pinapahalagan nyo isa't isa nyo. Kaya, yun. Pero ngayong araw na to, magiging iba na. It's so special to me na siya. Kasi, ito rin yung first Valentine's namin, kaya gagawin ko pa memorable pa. Kasi, alam ko bawat babae, malaga para sa kanya yung mga needs. Kaya gusto ko lang maging masaya siya.
Have you been? I know that it's been a while. Are you tired? Cause you've been on my mind, running thousands and thousands of miles. Sorry, I know that the line's out of style. You look so beautiful on this starry night. Loving the way the moonlight catches your eyes and your smile. I'm captivated. Your beauty is timeless, never outdated. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Can't you be the other one so equal to? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like sun.
Think about love, 'cause I'm not inside.
Oh my God!
Kind of crept up into my eyes. Love is the voices I like. It's got me wondering.
I know!
'Cause it's true, I wanna be with you all the time. We're getting a bit closer. See what to me. You're just a bit louder.
Oh my God!
Maybe. I know you're ready for so long. I'm just waiting for the right time, the right place, at the right moment. Mayroon naman kasi nawala tayo ng anniversary. Wala tayo celebrate na anniversary kasi nga wala tayong date. So, make it a point na gawin mo. Maybe you're the sweetest girl I ever met. And they will ever met. Baby. May I be officially yours? Would you be my girlfriend? Thank you mga pala sa lahat ng mga tumulong para maboto. Thank you mga pala. Ayun, sobrang sweet no. Ano na, interview lang ko. Ayun, ako eh. Hindi kami alam ko ah. Tunay pala yun. Oo. Pero connect sa video. Alam ko contestant din eh. Oo, nabalang po. Nabalang po ka. Nabalang yung paintor. Nabalang po niya. Sabi niya, oh my God. Grabe na, sweet ang sa side. Pero super sweet. Ilan na kayo?